Is your Subaru leaking oil? Of course it is. It's a Subaru. How's it going, everybody? My name is Mark. I work here at Company 23, and today I'm going to talk about a bunch of different ways that your Subaru can stop dripping oil. At Company 23, we pride ourselves with a whole bunch of different Subaru specialty tools, and oil seal install tools are no exception. So in front of me, I have not only our entire selection of oil seal install tools for both the Subaru EJ and FA engines, and FB engines. I also have a selection of oil seals to my left. We sell OEM oil seals on our website, company23.com. So our oil seals all set the proper seal depth. And what I mean by that is we're gonna use this one for example. This is the front cover oil install tool for the FA and FB engines. And if you look at the back side of it, there's actually a very precision step machined into it. And what that does is it sets the seal at the proper depth in the front cover. The FA, FB engines, it's extremely critical you set that oil seal not only square, but to the correct depth, because if you go too deep on that one, you'll actually block an oil pump passageway, which is never good for an engine. If you don't go deep enough, it could pop out. That's one example of why these tools are extremely critical. This is, like I said, FA, FB front cover. This is for EJ dual overhead cam turbocharged engines. This is for their cam seals. This is single overhead cam EJs for cam seals, also EG33 and a few older EJ25D, stuff like that, dual overhead cam engines. This one installs the oil pump seal into your EJ oil pump, rear main seal for your EJ, rear main seal for your FA, and a smattering of seals. These are all available on our website, www.company23.com. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything you see in front of us, or you have a question for myself or Harris, our marketing genius, shoot us an email, c23@company23.com. We're happy to get back to you and help get your car back on the road. Shout out to Smedia shirt that didn't win me a Hawkeye. I love you. Goodbye.